this was not the usual hospital-type job site, but in the beginning I bought the whole package. I was reminded daily by intercom in the elevators that this site does high-risk advanced medical and drug testing to cure insanity. Please, never speak to the inmates. It can destroy years of work. I'm sensible. When doctors say don't speak to them, who was I to destroy the delicate situation? But one man caught my eye. He repeatedly stated that he was George S.